There is a push to the teachers from the schools and educational institutes to develop the critical thinking skill. As we discussed, that critical thinking is the key skill in the 21st century that enables anyone to survive better and successfully in the challenging world. Teaching in the classroom is not so easy as it was decade ago. The need of the hour is different. Teachers are not only expected to provide the subject knowledge to the student, they are also expected to foster the core skill set to the students and to prepare the students to face the real challenge outside the four wall of the school is also the main challenge to the teacher community nowadays. So there is a need to develop the critical thinking skill as a in-service teacher.
Critical thinking actually enables a teacher to deliberately analyze the information so that a teacher can take better judgment and decision to draw the conclusion that are based on logic and reasoning and enhance students' performance and understand the students in better way. As we know that this skill is very important for in-service teachers, it helps them to find the gaps in students' learning, find various ways, uses different methodologies, change in curriculum to provide the skills and knowledge to improve the students' performance and achievement. You will find a clear evidence in you by adapting to analyze what is valid, what is accurate, analyze the source of information before jumping to judgment. This will help you to make you a confident person to take your own decision on any topic. Take a one step ahead and move towards from thinking to critical thinking. The ability to think out of the box and outside the spectrum is a great asset for the teachers, as we teachers most of the time forced to being conditioned to think in a certain way that we are even don't realize. Being an in service teacher, you have to develop the critical thinking skill by creating an awareness to your own thought process, your beliefs, opinion, and very important to have faith in you.